Lehman Buick GMC offers a phenomenal selection of new Buick models. We're the South Florida dealership that has been customer driven for 79 years. The 2015 Buick Encore is ready for your journey. The Buick Encore is powered by an efficient, power-dense Ecotec 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and 6-speed automatic transmission. All-wheel drive is available, so you can throw caution to the wind, rain, or snow and go anywhere you want. Encore's interior is loaded with premium materials, ingenious design, flexible storage, and purposeful technology. The IntelliLink system will leave you speechless the instant you talk to it. It's a voice-activated, color-connected infotainment system. It connects your smartphone, your Pandora and Sirius XM stations, and Stitcher Smart Radio in one 7-inch full-color screen. Encore takes safety to a whole new level with 10 standard airbags and available features such as forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and all-wheel drive. These technologies combined with great Buick standards like StabiliTrak and OnStar. The 2015 Buick Encore, a spontaneous utility vehicle. Lehman Buick GMC, customer driven for 79 years, serves the South Florida community with the best price, service, and selection. Call, click, or stop by. We're located on the Dade-Broward County line between I-95 and the Turnpike on 441 and County Line Road.